Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Monday, September 15, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. John chapter 19, verses 25 to 27. But standing by the cross of Jesus were his mother and his mother's sister, Mary the wife of Cleopas, and Mary Magdalene. When Jesus saw his mother and the disciple whom he loved standing nearby, he said to his mother, "Woman, behold your son." Then he said to the disciple, "Behold your mother." And from the hour the disciple took her to his own home. The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, the family of God. A community of Jesus is a family of God. First, we're giving respect and care to one another as a believer of Jesus, kung saan nagbibigay ng paggalang at pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa bilang mananampalataya ni Jesus. Second, where the word and presence of Jesus are evidently seen to the believers of Jesus, kung saan ang salita at presensya ni Jesus ay maliwanag na nakikita sa mga mananampalataya ni Jesus. And third, where the love and heart of the Father governs each member and the entire community of believers of Jesus, kung saan pinamamahalaan ng pag-ibig at puso ng Ama ang bawat miyembro at ang buong komunidad ng mga mananampalataya ni Jesus. Good morning and God bless us all.